If you're experiencing login issues on Shareworks, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Shareworks to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Shareworks customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your problem for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter on Shareworks. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.